Hello everyone. Hi. Welcome to my channel Edu Explorer. Rohit here. Today I bring you to JetBrain Academy. It's a e-learning platform for developers. More than 2 lakh users are using this platform and more than 110 projects are available here. You can use this platform to create your project, list of project for your guidance, and more than 900 topics are cleared by enrolling in this platform. Actually, the JetBrain usually provide paid courses, but due to COVID-19 crisis, right now the JetBrain provides free courses for students and for developers. These courses is free until 1st Jan 2021. So we have only 6 months left. You can enroll here to learn coding. If you're not from coding background or you have some experience, you can improve your skill from this. The login is very easy. Sign up if you want to sign up your account, you need to log in. Actually, I already log in here. So let me be clear with you guys. You can log in this account using your Google account. As you seen, I already log in, so I can't show you. But login is very easy. Once you sign up in this account, you will get a link, activation link in your Gmail. So make sure you click on that activation link. Then you'll be able to access this website. So currently, let me tell you, let me explain you everything. Currently, I enroll for the Java developer. So these courses provide Java, Kotlin, DevTools, Python, Essentials, Algorithm, and Frontend. If you enroll in Frontend, then you learn JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. You can see the table view, the overview of this course. It's very beautiful and perfectly explain you for newcomers. And the tree view is like this. You can see my current track is Java developer. So you can change it, but I don't want to change it because I want to be a Java developer. And you can see your project, your current project, encryption, decryption changes. I can change my project, but I want to start with this project actually. So let me explain you. For beginners, you can start with front end, algorithm, essentials, Python, DevTools, Java. And above is a Kotlin. After DevTools, there is a Kotlin and Java. So let me tell you guys, if you are new in the coding background, and once you sign in this account, means once you sign up for this account, in this page, so you will get choices what you want to start, begin with the coding language. So I recommend you guys, if you are beginners, you start with a Python. If you don't have a coding experience or don't have a coding background, it will help you develop the understand the logic behind it, the languages, and Python code is very easy to remember. So I recommend Python for it, but it's your choice. For experienced ones is they can start with anywhere because they already have built a logic. Means they in their mindset they already build their logics, so they know how to start with the coding. They know how to remember the syntax. Even they don't remember the syntax, they easily build the program just by googling it. So it's up to you. But I recommend the for freshers or for newcomers who doesn't have a coding background, start with the Python, So let me explain you about this. If you enroll as a Java developer or if you enroll as a front-end or Python developer, you will be given 5 projects. So let me show you the project. Okay, this is my project, Incursion Decryption, current project as a Java developer. So here is a topic completed. Means zero. I currently just today I enroll in this, so I didn't start it. As I'm explaining you. So 307. topics are there. You will be complete the track in 106 hours. So it will take me to complete this course 106 hours about this. So about let me show you the rest of the project. You can see the project is defined by easy, medium, hard, and challenging. So currently I selected this project, and recommended project is a JSON XML converter, equation, and the coffee machine. This is the best, fastest to complete. Okay, okay, 12 hours is, and for equation is 18 hours, and this JSON is 29 hours. Okay, easy one is 12, 11, and 6. Is a, oh, 6 hours. So this one is a simplest project in all over the courses. So you can select simply chatty bot, tic-tac-toe, and coffee machine. And medium one is 18 hours, 15 hours, 14, 20, and 15. Okay, error correcting encoder, game of life, numerical system, converter, reliability store, encryption decryption, and so more. Tic-tac-toe with AI. Okay, medium one also have tic-tac-toe with AI. Okay, and numeric matrix processor. Flashcard, smart calculator, 21 hours, 23 hours, Maze Runner, 23 hours, sorting tools, 23 hours, and simple search engine is 22 hours, and music advisor, 22 hours, Mineweaver, 24, digital recognition, 22, linear equation solver, budget manager, simple banking system, phone book, challenging is a JSON XML converter, contact, file type analyzer, WebClover, blockchain, text editor, WebQuiz engine. So this is a very best website compared to other which I've seen. So I especially recommending to you guys about this. It shows you the project. It's guide you to how to do the project which is selected, and it also have the map of for front end algorithm. Let's see for algorithm. You can see it's very well defined maps for beginners to understand the starting point, who's just starting the code, who's just starting in this career. Essential max, oops, software design architecture, software quality, numerical system, web technology, data format, SQL regular equation, encoding standard, introducing the programming, media format, data science, OS command line, multi-threading and multi-processing. Very good website compared to others which I've seen. So I especially recommending to you guys. Python, they map it out for you, huh? To start as a, to especially for the beginner is help a lot. This map on your journey to become a great developer. Kotlin, you know the guys, the Kotlin is used in Android developer. Kotlin is a new language for Android developer to learn. They are also providing Kotlin and Java. Okay, guys, I hope you understood about this course and their curriculum. So I hope you try to go in this page and select whatever you wanted, and it's I hope this helped you on your career as a developer. So if you like my work, please subscribe my channel and hit on the like button, and please share with your friends if they will also get benefit from this course and help them to in their career boost. And it also provide the project, guys, so it will help you in your resume. If you want to get certificate in this course, you need to complete at least 5 projects based on single language. Means I selected on the Java developer, so I have to complete 5 projects based on the Java language. So then I will get certificate from the this course, and mention in the certificate, they will be mentioning in the certificate like your project, what you did in the this course. So it will help in your resume, and it will help you in your GitHub account. You need to also log in GitHub. So I will teach you guys about the GitHub in next lecture. Okay, so please hit